So there was a lot of excitement about this weeks ago, but frankly, we have not heard much since then. It's gotten kind of quiet on this front, which is kind of strange because this is something that is going to bring a lot of new, fresh capital to the space. And for something like Shiba Inu, it could very much positively impact the direction of price. So I'm talking about Ethereum spot ETFs. Now, while this doesn't mean that capital is directly flowing into Shiba Inu itself, you have to remember that some of Shiba Inu's largest pairings are with Ethereum. So as Ethereum gets hit with fresh capital and price goes on pumps, it is going to actually be dragging up the charts of Shiba Inu. That's how liquidity pools work. Now, the interesting thing about this is I haven't seen many people talking about where we're at in this process, what we're waiting for. And in fact, the buzz has kind of died down a little bit. But yesterday, there was actually an announcement that I think people need to aware of because people seem to be forgetting how close we actually are to this taking place. Right now, I think people are kind of getting caught in the summer lull. It's kind of blah, right? But yesterday, there was actually an announcement from Gary Gensler that this process to spot Ethereum ETF approvals is going smoothly. Now, what he said in this was that the only thing that we're waiting on right now is disclosure and registration. And remember, there are a lot of these entities were getting their S1 applications actually put in. They're pretty much set for approval, guys. All right. The SEC is backed off in a big way. It looks like they're going to let these things just go through. And right now, the market isn't really showing much buzz from this. The market is kind of, again, still just in this state of blah where not much is happening. That's why I think it's important that people don't get sucked into, the fear that we're seeing in the market right now. Don't get sucked into this state of, oh yeah, things are probably just going to continue to drop. We're about to have billions and billions of dollars hit Ethereum spot ETFs. And while it may not be the same amount that we see from, Bitcoin spot ETFs, you have to remember something. Institutional money, they want to get more and more and more. All right. They want to have their hands in more things. They want to have more access to pumps. They want to be in this industry in a big way, even much bigger than what we're seeing right now. Again, this was just basically the toes in the water. There is going to be some, I don't want to say someone just jumping in and doing a cannonball, but that's what we're going to get hit with in this industry. So this spillover from that cannonball is going to hit alts. Something like Shiba Inu is going to be affected by this in a positive way. And the flows for these spot Ethereum ETFs are, like Gary Gensler said, he wouldn't be surprised if this is done sometime during the course of this summer. Now, July 2nd, I believe, has been floated as the day where this may in fact go live. We don't know 100%, right? It's going to probably be like the Bitcoin spot ETFs where there's an announcement and within 48 hours, things are in fact trading. That's what people need to know. This wave is going to hit very quickly. Right now, the way that the market has in fact been bleeding means that we're probably going to have more of a buy the news event, right? The sell the news event was basically when we had the first announcement. Yeah, we're good to go. They have to get in these things, and the market has been dumping since then. So now we bled off to this point where don't be surprised if either we have this run up to these actual announcements of trading, or if at some point we just get an announcement and things just pop. That's the big thing people need to be prepared about. The summer will lull you to sleep 100%. Don't be asleep at the wheel. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.